Hey y'all, it's Taryn from Crafty Box by Taryn. Today I'm going to show you how to do frames, letter frames, a little bit easier than what we've been doing them. So I found this app in Canva and I want to show you guys this app. I am a paid subscriber, so I don't know if you need to be paid. I'm quite sure you need to be a paid subscriber in order to use it. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find a silver or, yeah, let's do silver glitter for my background. Okay. So once I find the silver glitter in photos that I want to use for it, then I'll just click on it to make sure it's selected. And you can tell it's selected by those move handles that are there. So the app, go to apps, scroll to app, and I already have it there. But if you don't have it there, which you shouldn't, you can type in font frame and it comes up. This makes doing frames so much easier. So click on it, and once you click on it, the words "Hello World" is automatically, I guess, is their default text. But I want to type in Crenshaw. Notice that when I type in Crenshaw, the silver glitter is already there. That is so neat. So all I need to do is add it to the design, and it when I click add to the design, it adds it automatically to my design. I love this feature. Again, I'm thinking it's going to save so much time. So another thing is if I click off of my the silver glitter and just type in Crenshaw, it comes with this default text or default picture that it's okay to use if you want to use, but I don't want to use it. I want to try it in red glitter. So I go to elements again and I'm going to type in red glitter, and choose the glitter that I want. Now, once I choose this glitter, I'm resizing it for the purpose of the video. But once I go back to apps and font frame, Crenshaw is there, but I want it in the red. So if you scroll down a little bit, that's the font that it's in. That's the alignment. You have center alignment, left and right alignment. That's the alignment. And then we have the spacing tab. So next you have the use selected image. So I can use selected image and it's selected, but you can tell by the move handles. When I scroll back up, you're going to see that Crenshaw is already there in the the picture that I chose for it. I think this is such a great feature in Canva. Whoever did this app, they did a great job. So another thing that I can do is I can change the the outline. You see how Crenshaw is there? So, excuse me. Y'all see how Crenshaw is on the two, the silver and the red. If I choose outline and change the border width, it's going to change the border width of what's in the preview section. So the red one is in the preview section. Notice that it comes up red and the outline has changed. Instead of it being, let's see if I can do this again. Okay, so the outline has changed from what was in the preview section. Preview section is now there. If I wanted to do the, I like how the outline is on that. So I want to do it in silver. I am going to, let's see, the outline is 17. So I want to change this to 17 too. So I scroll up and use selected image. Remember how we didn't do use selected image? The border width is 17. It gives me an image with the border width of 17 in the silver because I chose use selected image. I like that. This is the one that I'm going to use for my image. For my image, I like this one better than the top one. They're both cute, but I like the last one that we did. So just to show y'all the difference in them and how they are, look at the width of the outline. I'm just moving it down just a little bit. Moving it down so that you can see it better. That's all. Instead of deleting it, because I may use that too some kind of way. But those are the images. That is the coolest feature in Canva that I have found so far, and I like it. So yeah, if you guys like this, go ahead and like the video. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell. The notification bell lets you know when I've uploaded new content. But I thought this was so neat that I had to come on and share with you guys. I like stopped in the middle of the project and said, I'm making a video because this is too good to miss. This is too good to pass up. And I can put it on my list for later on. I will forget to record it to show you guys, but I wanted to come to you and show you guys how to use that front frame, kind of a tongue twister, that front frame to do this. And I think it's worth it. So, yeah, if you're not a subscriber to Canva, I was about to say Cricut. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe.